Ever pondered how one might see events happening far away without physically being present? A concept known as remote viewing has been a subject of fascination and skepticism for many. Likewise, the term Gangstalker techniques might sound like something out of a spy movie, but these are actual methods that have been reported and studied. Remote viewing refers to the psychic ability to perceive places, persons, and actions that are not within the range of the senses. This technique is said to have been used in military and intelligence operations, as well as by private individuals. On the other hand, Gangstalker techniques are tactics used by groups with the intent to psychologically manipulate or harass a target. The methods are indeed as intriguing as they are unsettling. Let's delve into some of these techniques. Firstly, a common technique is to instill doubt in the target's mind. If the target suspects they are being stalked or determine a technique, the operative will try to make them second-guess themselves. If the target persists, the operative may pretend to leak the information, giving the illusion of being helpful. Secondly, keeping tabs on the target's network is crucial. One operative is tasked with knowing who is who when it comes to the target's friends, family, colleagues, and associates. Thirdly, operatives with lucid dreaming abilities can remote view the target and distort their dreams. This can be done using their imagination to modify the dream content. Next, the gangstalkers are organized in a compartmentalized fashion. Specific operatives are responsible for certain techniques, such as sound and voice manipulation or IT expertise. Keeping targets from remote viewing their own operatives is another technique. They accomplish this by sending memory-recalled thoughts of sleep paralysis to keep the target awake. This prevents any unintentional remote viewing of the operatives in their daily routines. Furthermore, operatives may use confusion hypnosis, asking the target questions in a format designed to make them more susceptible to the operative's motives. Operatives are also trained to sense when the target is focusing on a particular thought. Once they latch onto this, they can extract information or imprint distorted thoughts on the target. The operatives may claim anything good or bad that happens to the target is because of them, furthering the psychological manipulation. Creating a replica of the target's home and belongings at an operative location is another method used for training operatives in remote viewing. Forcing the focus of an operative's mind to change the thoughts of another person is a technique known as third-party thought modification. High-level operatives have been reported to consume DMT, a powerful hallucinogenic, to manipulate the thoughts of multiple lower-level operatives by slowing down perceived time through the drug's time distortion effects. Operatives generally trick the target into believing that the operative's thoughts are actually the thoughts of the target. Interrogation techniques include having the target draw conclusions from statements made by the operatives. Operatives with IT knowledge can hack into the target's electronic devices to gain additional insight, frequently used for front-loading operatives. Finally, operatives use multiple targets to train and educate other operatives on psychological manipulation and remote viewing techniques. In summary, remote viewing and gangstalker techniques are complex methods used to manipulate and control targets. From implanting thoughts and manipulating dreams to creating doubt and confusion, these techniques can have profound psychological impacts. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these techniques can help in recognizing and combating such manipulative tactics. Shout out to Big Belly Boss.